Oh man, look, I was so busy over here paying attention. There was a rabbit right next to me. He's a big boy too. Come on, buddy. What's up, buddy? Ooh. Oh, you can barely fucking see him. Look at that. Nice camo. I mean, look, he just ran in there. Just plopped right down. Oh, yeah, buddy. There he is. Hey, bud. Watch it. I don't freak him out that much. Oh, is he nibbling on shit? He is, too. What's up, little buddy? Oh, that's cute. Oh, this turned into a really awesome fucking time right here. See, it's almost like he was appointed. He was here to be in my path, to like show me some kind of medicine, some kind of something, some kind of message. It's pretty dope though. You can hear him back there.